Hi everyone, this is Adam with the Adam Lee Team and Keller Williams Realty East Valley. This is the February 2014 newsletter. Like always, I'm going to jump right into some statistical information on what's going on in the market. The median sales price actually dropped, which we kind of expected that it was going to happen. There's a couple things that are fueling that. One is the sold to list ratio. So the sold to list ratio is at 94%. Which means that homeowners are still pricing their homes a little high. They're trying to price the homes ahead of the market, which you really can't do right now. We used to be able to get away with that, but really since about August, it's just been tapering. August 2013, it's just been tapering and tapering. So you really don't have that ability like we used to at one point. The days on market has also gone up. So what happens is as a home sits on the market, two things happen. One, the buyers start to think, okay, what's going on with this house? Because if the agents aren't educated and don't comprehend that the market has shifted, things are taking longer, what happens is they go, okay, what's wrong with this house? The second thing that happens is sellers go, what's wrong with my house? If the agents are not educating them, then they don't know that things are taking a little longer to sell right now. And then what happens is they get desperate. And when they get desperate, they tend to make decisions that aren't necessarily the best financial decisions, meaning they take a lesser offer. Now, if they price their home accordingly and they priced it with the market and what the market's doing, then yeah, the homes are still selling. And they're selling a lot faster than essentially 80 days. So what does all this mean? That the market's slowing, that it's a bad market? It actually means that it's a healthy market. We're coming to... it's not even considered a balanced market at this point. I know what we've seen in our business with our clients. We're definitely seeing some more buyers coming into the market. We're seeing more activity on our listings. We're getting more buyer referrals. And as the buyers come back into the market more, because they really got scared about September, October with the government shutdown issues and all the different issues that were kind of plaguing our country at the time. There was a lot of unknowns in the real estate market, and it scared a lot of the buyers out. But what happened is we definitely are feeling those buyers come back in, and I feel like we're going to continue to feel them coming back in over the next few months. So what that means to everybody who's watching, if you're looking at listing your home, now's a great time to be listing your home. If you're looking at buying a home, now's a good time to be buying a home. What you don't want to do is wait. So if you have the ability to purchase a home right now, go purchase a home, because there's always unknown variables in real estate, always. And one of those is interest rates. For the buying side, that's probably your biggest variable is what are interest rates doing. If interest rates creep up 0.25%, that may mean that you're not getting the house that you want, or it may mean that you're going to be paying more per month for the same house. Same thing on the listing side, make your decisions now. If you're in the position to sell your home, sell your home. And the reason why I'm saying that is because as those interest rates creep up, which they're projected to continue to do so, as they creep up, you're going to suffer the consequences too. The less buyers that are in the marketplace, the harder it is to sell your home. Like I said, it's taking a little longer right now. We're having to put more money into the marketing of each home, and we're having to do some different tactics to get these homes sold. It's not just throw a sign in the yard, put it on the MLS, and then it sells like it was a year ago. It's a whole lot easier to sell a home a year ago than it is now. So, but like I said, what this means to you is, it means that it's a healthy market. It doesn't mean that you need to be scared. It doesn't mean that you need to be worried about the decisions that you're making. Get the information that you need, help us get that information to you, and then make your decisions and go forward with it. One other thing I want to touch on real quickly is our new home builds. We're getting a lot of questions on new home builds. Are they a good deal? Are they not? I actually did a blog post, I believe it was last month. I'm going to reference that underneath the video on the newsletter page, and read that. If you're curious about new builds, there's definite benefits and there's some definite drawbacks as well. So you just want to make sure that again, you get the information that you need in order to make the best decision. Along the lines of those good decisions is make sure you talk to us first before you just go looking at new home builds. Keep in mind that those new home build agents, they work for the builder. They don't work for you. They don't represent you. And it states that clearly. They don't represent you. They represent the builder. Their job and their fiduciary duty is for the builder. So make sure that you bring us in early so we can get you information and get you to the right new home builds. So that being said, as always, thank you guys so much for all the referrals. They have just been pouring in since the beginning of the year, and we are so truly grateful for them. And we're grateful for you, and we hope that you're enjoying the gifts that you're getting when you refer us. So make it a great month, and we'll see you again in March.